taba. BMEG, bilis kita! Tinuloy-tuloy ko hanggang BMEG Premium Grower 1 and 2. May Lean Plus technology, kaya mas mabigat at manipis ang taba sa pagbenta. Kaya tuloy nyo na! BMEG, bilis kita!
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
Good evening, Bicolandia, and welcome to our fourth game of Bucal Seniors Basketball. And for our fourth game, we have UNC Greyhounds against Shepherdville Rams.
Ayan nga, makakasama niyo po kami. I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes and with me is John Pogoy at live na live pa rin po tayo dito sa loob ng ATENEO Dinaga University Gymnasium and of course sa ating mga Facebook pages na Bucal, Oragon Sports TV at One Media TV 48. This would be the last matchup for our Sunday matchup. This would be the UNC Greyhounds versus the Shepherdville Rams.
So Tin, balikan naman natin yung previous game before this game. It's the NCF against their opponent.
Yes, napakagandang ang laban yun, Aljon, na napanood natin kanina. And nakuha na nga ng NCF Junior Cubs ang kanilang unang panalo matapos nga matalo sila nung mga nakaraang linggo. And now they got their first win against the... Yes, they win against their matchup kanina nga. Yeah, the Annunciation Panthers.
That's true, Tin. So it was a very crucial for the NCF Cubs because of that, they will be able to gain their confidence and gain their momentum for their succeeding games.
Ayan nga, John. So this would be a very exciting matchup dahil nga itong ating Shepherdville Rams galing sa pagkatalo kontra sa ating NCF Seniors Basketball Team. And now, this would be great kung ano nga ba ang mangyayari at maipapakita ng dalawang koponan na ito.
So we'd also like to thank our supporters here majority of them are students. I'm seeing UNC students here din sa ating benches. So
Yes.
thank you very much for staying this 5 p.m. Yes, it's 5 p.m. and thank you so much po sa panonood and also to our live viewers on Facebook and YouTube. Salamat po.
Yan nga, dito na yung mga supporters ng dalawang koponan na ito. And of course, we are very thankful to our sponsors, the EE Sportswear, the Bex Diner, and the Havaianas. At para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from the side of the UNC Greyhounds, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Icy. Hi Icy, anong update natin dyan?
All Latin and Aljan, good afternoon, stunning Bicolanos. You are tuning on Bucal's Facebook page and One Media TV 48 Naga. We are currently live here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the most anticipated and most prestigious basketball league here in Bicol. This is Icy Cortez, all the way from the bench of the University of Nueva Cáceres Greyhounds. After a long absence, I'm sure we're all eager to see some fresh, interesting, and thrilling game. The senior basketball of the UNC Greyhounds are back on the hard court to show off their basketball skills and strong teamwork that they built. That is why, even though there was a long break, the team did not stop intensifying their strength to work effectively as a team. As I had a conversation with one of their players, he highlighted that the team aims to bridge the gap that they missed last game. So, folk, let us witness the Greyhounds to be the first to number one. That is the freshest updates from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Once again, we are live here in Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, IC. So talaga namang i-bridge ng UNC Greyhounds yung mga lapses nila on their previous game kasi it's important to really bottom up their efforts coming here against the Shepherdville Rams.
Yes, I know that we are very excited, most especially yung mga supporters ng UNC Greyhounds. At para makarinig naman tayo ng update all the way from the side of the Shepherdville Rams, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali. Hi Ali, anong update natin dyan?
Hi, Tin and Rick, and good afternoon, Bicolandia. Live here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium and through Bucal Facebook page. This is Eliza Faith Patessa Respeto giving you the latest news and updates from the court side of the Shepherdville College Rams. Rams na mas porsigido, yan ang dapat nating abangan sa Rams considering that this ball game can be their first win this season. The result of their previous games were not the result that the Rams were expecting. However, during the last face-off between the NTF Tigers, the SVC Rams pledged that their loss should be their last this Bucal Season 5. So join me as we witness the Rams dominate the hard court and do it the Shepherdville College Rams way. Only here on Bucal Season 5, One Media, TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Eliza. So it's the battle of determined and bridging the gap, you know, as we start our first quarter.
Now we are starting our last matchup with the ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds.
UNC Greyhounds, no good.
Now, it's the ball possession of the Shepherdville Rams. Now, jersey number 16 to inbound. Postrado. Given here to Bibares. Yan, natawagan pa dito ng foul. Still, ball possession. Oh, maaga pa lang pero feel mo na adyo yung tension sa dalawang koponan na
That's
ito.
routine.
Yan. Nagsisimula pa lang tayo. Nawawarningan na tong dalawang koponan na ito. Now, ball possession on the Shepherdville Rams. Jersey number 2. Ang tatakbo dito, Patok. Passes to 16 but there was a whistled foul.
And a foul. Soriao got the foul.
Now, Patok to inbound. Give it to Postrado. Postrado. Nawala pa yan.
And a good steal for the Greyhounds. For 2. No good. Another for 2. No good again.
Ball possession na ng Shepherdville Rams. Still coming from the UNC Greyhounds. Now, nagmamadali ito, Vivares for a layup. That's good. First basket ng ating Rams. Yan nga, natawagan pa ng foul dito.
Yes, Tin. You're correct. Nainit na talaga ang laban dito. First quarter pa lang. And a foul. For UNC Greyhounds.
Now, still the ball possession of the Shepherdville Rams. Vivares to inbound. Passes to Postrado. Postrado. Anong gagawin dito? Masyadong mainit ang depensa. Still ball possession of the Rams.
And I guess that was another foul. Batian Celia.
Yan. Grabe na agad yung init ng laro ng dalawang koponan na ito.
And also Tin, medyo tumadami na ang foul dito ng UNC
Yes.
Greyhounds. You have to be careful on that.
Now, a jump shot,
No good. Jersey number 5, may dala ng bola. For 3. No good.
Rebound by
Defensive
Vivares.
rebound.
A miscommunication for their side.
Batian Celia. For 3. Kapos. Greyhounds to inbound. Soria. No good.
Now, rebound by the Rams. Postrado, may hawak ngayon ng bola. Tries for a jumper. No good. But there was a whistled foul.
And another foul. For Soriao. It's his third personal foul, Tin. First quarter pa lang.
Yes. Kung makikita mo, penalty na po agad ng ating UNC Greyhounds. We're just starting our first quarter. Now, Postrado on the free throw line for 2 shots. First attempt, that's good. Making it a 3-0 nothing run against the UNC Greyhounds. Again, that's good for his second attempt.
Ball possession ngayon ng Greyhounds. And what a good assist for UNC.
Mabilis ang transition para sa Greyhounds ang ginagawa dito. Now, Postrado to inbound. But that's a 5 seconds violation committed by Postrado. So ball possession now of the Greyhounds.
To inbound, Sarmiento. Paso Narvate. No good.
Now,
Defensive
rebound by
rebound.
Rico. Postrado may hawak ng bola. Postrado for a jumper. No good. Defensive rebound kay Buela. Fadeaway shot.
No
Wala pa
good.
rin.
Defensive rebound dito. Ang Greyhounds.
Now still for the side of the Rams, Vivares. Why not layup? That's good.
Ball possession ngayon. And 5 seconds violation.
Yan. Napatawag na nga ng timeout dito ang ating UNC Greyhounds. 6-2. 6 minutes and 21 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Yun nga. Nag-uumpisa pa lang tayo. Pero napakainit na agad. Mabilis ang transition for this both teams. But at the same time, violations by violations ang nagagawa ng dalawang koponan na ito. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy, shoutout naman tayo dito kay Jomin Pedro Nivares, Mary Rose Lopez Baca na supporters ng SVC Rams at kay Mario Marcos na ang sabi, good luck UNC. And of course, kay Jamaica Angeles, maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay.
Thank you so much po, and also shout out to our YouTube viewers. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Yes. We are also live on YouTube, kaya talaga namang kahit sino pwedeng makanood ng ating Bucal Season 5. Of course, with the help of the One Media TV 48 Naga. And now, we are back on the ball game. Apat po ang kalamangan dito ng Shepherdville Rams, and still, it is their ball possession with Vivares to inbound. Now, Vivares.
And a steal for UNC Greyhounds.
Sunod-sunod na foul. Ang nakukomit ng dalawang kupunan na ito.
Garcia to inbound. For three, and that's good.
Isa na lamang hinahabol dito ng UNC Greyhounds. Now, Buela nahihirapan. Passes to Vivares. Vivares didiretso sa loob. Layup again. That's good. Defensive side of the Shepherdville Rams. Kitang-kita naman dito. But still, it's the ball possession of the Greyhounds.
That's retain a two-man team for their defense. For three again. Sobra.
Now, Vivares passes to Buela. Buela. Hahanap ng tiyempo dito. Patok. Ano kayang gagawin nila dito? A fadeaway shot. No good. Offensive rebound for the side of the Rams. Buela. Pero may naitawag na foul dyan. So he will be on the free throw line for 2 shots.
Another foul for the UNC Greyhounds.
That's good for his first attempt. He will try again for the second time. No good.
Bola ngayon ng UNC Greyhounds. And a miscue. Pero bola pa rin yan ng Greyhounds. Passes to number 88. For 3. No good.
Now, ball possession of the Rams. Lumabe, nagmamadali. A layup again, no good. Kanino kaya mapupunta ang bola? Greyhounds.
Number 88. Sumasalaksak. No good. Another for him. And that's good.
Yes, a second point chance para dito kay Valera. Now, Vivares to inbound. Pass to Patok. But there was a foul called here. 9-7. 2-point lead coming from the Shepherdville Rams. Now, with that foul, Patok will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. First attempt. No good. We'll try again for the second time. No good again.
Bola ngayon ng UNC Greyhounds. Valera. May dala ng bola. Passes to Garcia. An attempt. And that's good.
Wow.
For Caronan.
Napakaganda nun. If I remember, Caronan from the UNC Greyhounds, siya din ang nagbigay ng puntos noong nakaraang laro nila. Now this time, Vivares. But there was a whistle foul here. Substitution. Marquez is in. Patok is out for the Rams.
Valera for 3, no good.
Yan. Andito na ang magkapatid na Valera, di Mark Evan and Mark Andrew. Now, Marquez. Papasok sa loob, ay jumper. No good.
Nakuha yan ng UNC Greyhounds. Passes to Mark Evan. Valera. Attempt, no good. So, may magkapatid tayo dito sa side ng UNC Greyhound. It's Mark Evan and Mark Andrew Valera.
Yes. Both these players are really good. And nag-stand out sila the last game.
For free throw, Sarmiento. Sarmiento to shoot. No good.
Now Marquez handling the ball. Pass to Vivares. Vivares now to Lumabe. Lumabe back to Vivares for 3. No good.
And a turnover. Bola ngayon yan ng Greyhounds. Calo, madala ng bola. Passes to Sarmiento. And that's right on the pocket.
Now Vivares passes to Lumabe. Lumabe.
And a steal. An attempt. No good. And another steal. For Mark Andrew Valera.
Was a foul here. So, yan nga, napatawag na nga ng timeout dito ang ating Shepherdville Rams. 9-12 para sa ating first quarter with 2 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. Only here at Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here live at Ateneo Dinago Gymnasium and live to all our online live stream Facebook page, Dragon Sports TV, Bucal, and on our YouTube channel, One Media TV 48 Naga. UNC is ahead for our first quarter. And Caronan is ready for his free throw. Another standout player, Caronan, Nico Andre. Right on the pocket.
Now, ball possession of the Rams, Marquez. Pass to Vivares. Now on the corner, Marquez. Back to Vivares. Now, munti ka na mawala. But Lumabe was there. Papasok sa loob with that height. Grabe talagang sumalaksak sa loob itong si Lumabe. But there was a whistled foul here.
And Mark Evan, Valera to shoot. That's good. And right on the pocket for Mark Evan.
Now Marquez. Lumabe again, handling the ball. Passes to jersey number 19, no good. Mark Andrew.
Mark Andrew passes.
Still ball possession of the Greyhounds.
And traveling. And that's brought to you by Nagayan Travel and Tours. Nagayan, live your dreams, create memories.
No, the Greyhounds fans are shouting defense. Marquez. Vivares for 3, no good. Still, an offensive rebound. Lumabe, papasok muli sa loob. Pass to the corner. No good.
Ang ganda ng tin.
Oo.
Ang gandang alalay.
Yan, nandyan si Dangkalan. He got that point.
Mark Andrew signaling for a play. Passes to his brother, Mark Evan.
Nawala pa yung bola, but still. With 5 seconds.
No good.
Out of bounds, so the ball will go on the side of the Shepherdville Rams. 13-15 po. Dalawa lamang ang kalamangan dito ng Greyhounds. Now Mabasa will go on the side of the Rams. Vivares is out. Marquez with the ball. Pass to Lumabe. Lumabe tries for 3. Martinez.
No good. Defensive rebound. Mark Evan, may dala ng bola. Breto. No good.
Parehas nahihirapan. Nakapuntos dito ang dalawang kupunan. Marquez. Mabilis ang galawan. Lumabe again. Passes to Marquez or to Martinez. But there was a whistled foul there.
And the Shepherdville Rams is only down 2 points here for our first quarter. And right on the basket for Sarmiento.
That's good for his second attempt. Now Marquez passes to Dangkalan with that layup. That's good. Another ball possession for the Rams. But that's it. Natapos na nga po ang ating first quarter. 15-17. 2-point lead coming from the Greyhounds. Magbabalik po kami para sa second quarter only here at Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here live at ATENEO GYMNASIUM and live sa ating mga live stream social media platforms, Facebook and on our YouTube or One Media TV 48 Naga. At doon po sa mga nagtatanong if live tayo, live na live po tayo. You can like and share this live stream.
Now, Mark Andrew. There's a traveling violation brought to you by Nagayon Travel and Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories. Now, ball possession of the Rams. Marquez handling the ball here. Passes to Lumabe. Lumabe, hahanap dito ng mapapasahan. On the corner. Back to him. Now, Dangkalan. No good.
A defensive rebound. Mark Andrew passes to Karunan. An attempt for three. And that's good for Mark Evan Valera.
No. Naiabot na nga sa 5 puntos ng kalamangan dito ng Greyhounds. Para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from the Shepherdville Rams site, tawagin natin ating courtside reporter na si Ali. Hi Ali, anong update natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Aljan. The SVC Rams is currently struggling to find their rhythm inside the hard court. However, despite the points that they have to run, Coach Al asked the boys to just relax at huwag magmamadali. Just secure the ball and play your role effectively. He also reminded them of their mindset this ball game, and that is to secure their first win this season. He also emphasized that they came prepared, so just play hard and go hard. He ended the huddle by making a dignified plan and manifested that this ball game is theirs. That's the latest here on the side of the SPC Rams. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Aljan.
Thank you so much, Ali. So the coach reminded his boys to just relax. Kasi they're down 5. And I'm seeing a while ago in the first quarter, medyo pressure sila and even their shooting, may mga lapses. And I hope sana maka-adjust sila dito sa ating second quarter.
Yes, sumahabol sila dito. 5 na lamang kanilang hinahabol. But at the same time, para makarinig naman tayo ng update all the way from the side of the UNC Greyhounds, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Icy. Hi Icy, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Tin and Aljan. We are now in the second quarter of the game. The Greyhounds is on the lead, facing a deficit. The Greyhounds calls a crucial timeout as they trail the Rams. Coach aims to emphasize for the player to give the play and be hungry for the ball. Coach Miggy stresses the player to implement the 3-2 half-court defense. Yan muna ang update sa side ng Greyhounds. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Aljan.
Thank you so much, Isis. Dito naman sa UNC Greyhounds, since they have the 5-point deficit here, 5-point lead, they have to emphasize on their defense kasi ang naghahabol dito ang Rams. So they have to really have a strong defense in terms sa kanilang play for this second quarter.
Now ball possession of the Greyhounds. Mark Andrew passes to Mark Evan. Dip 3. That's good!
A clean 3 points in. Wow!
Napakaganda nun. Now on the side of the Rams, natawagan nga dyan ng foul. So a 2-point opportunity para dito kay Vivares. Naiangat na nga sa 8 kalamangan ng UNC Greyhounds. Now for the first attempt, that's good. Now he will try again for the second time. That's good.
Ball possession ngayon ng UNC Greyhounds. Mark Andrew looking for his teammate. Passes to his brother. Back to Mark Andrew. An assist, and that's good.
Grabe, napakaganda ng galawan dito ng UNC Greyhounds. Now. Again, a foul was called here. Now, team captain Rico and Buela will be back on the side of the Rams. Vivares to inbound. But before that, we would like to thank our live viewers. Hello po kay Ibarientos Andre, Webster Simon, Feby Ranil Hodal, Lani Dacuba Roteras, Cassandra, at kay Mary Rose Lopez Boca na nanonood sa atin ngayon. Maraming salamat
and
po.
And also, I'd like to thank or to greet a happy birthday Chloe Clemente. Happy birthday to you. I hope you're enjoying the game.
Now, Vivares. Nagmamadali dito. Pass to Buela. Buela. Jumper. That's good. Mark Andrew.
And that was a call for the UNC Greyhounds.
Yes, that would be a ball possession again of the Rams. Naibaba na nga sa ano yung makalamangan nito. Now, Postrado. Pass to Lumabe. Lumabe!
And a steal! May dala ngayon ng bola, Mark Andrew Valera. For 2. No good. Defensive rebound. And a foul for Mark Andrew Valera.
Now, Postrado. Kanino ipapasa? Loose ball again.
And a
UNC
steal.
Greyhounds.
Bola ng UNC ngayon. Sumasalaksak. That's good. For Mandy.
Now, another foul whistled. Penalty na po ang ating UNC Greyhounds sa ating second quarter. Grabe, foul trouble naman tong ating UNC Greyhounds.
They have to minimize this kind of fouls kasi baka ma-out of playing court sila. at sa ipinapakitang plays or play ngayon ng UNC Greyhounds, lahat gumagalaw. And pag may isang nawala sa kanila, I think that's a huge lapses.
Yes. So now, Lumabe would be on the free throw line for 2 shots. Of course, shout out dito kay Mary Rose Lopez Boca, Menchi Castro, Anthony Azor, Alejandro Yagil, Emeline Soke Avila at kay Che Cortez. Shout out si IC Cortez na isa sa ating mga courtside reporter. Yan, thank you so much po. Now, the referees still deciding here. 19-27, 8-point lead coming from the UNC Greyhounds. Yan. Natawagan na nga or nawarningan na nga itong si Lumabe ng Shepherdville Rams at jersey number 14 Monday ng UNC Greyhounds. Now, Lumabe on the free throw line. No good. Now Lumabe for his second try. That's good.
Ball possession ngayon ng UNC Greyhounds. Mark Andrew may dala ng bola. Balik kay Mark Andrew. And a violation. Inbound ball ngayon. Mandy. Passes to Mark Andrew. Attempt. That's good. Caronan.
Now, Vivares. Passes to Lumabe. Lumabe hahanap dito. Will it try for 3? No good.
A pass. And that's good.
Wow.
What an assist in.
Yes. Now, Buela, babawi.
Sagutan.
Oo. Ito kay Buela, may kasama pang foul. Napakaganda ng bawian ng dalawang kuponan na ito.
And also, the fast transition ng both teams.
Yes.
Talaga namang takbo kung takbo, Tin.
Now, Buela on the free throw line. Very good matchup between these two teams. That's good, making it a 3-point opportunity para kay Buela.
Ball possession ngayon. Mark Andrew. Madala ng bola.
Now, turnover.
Sayang.
Oo.
Still sana yon ni Mark Andrew.
Now, it is still a ball possession for the Rams. Vivares to inbound. Pass to Rico. Babalik ang kay Vivares. Postrada now. On the corner for Lumabe. Lumabe to Rico. A great transition from the side of the Rams.
Ball possession ngayon. Again, ng UNC Greyhounds. Balik kay and a steal.
Lumabe again. But that's a foul. And a 3-point opportunity again para dito kay Lumabe. 4 na lamang ang hinahabol ng Rams.
And then again, another foul for UNC Greyhounds.
Yes. Now, Lumabe has a chance na maibaba ang kalamangan sa 4. Or I mean sa 3 dahil 27-31 sa ating talaan dito. 4 minutes and 12 seconds remaining. No good.
Chance para mabawa ng UNC Greyhounds. Karonan. And that's good for Karonan.
Wow, napakaganda naman no para kay Karonan. Buela. Pass on the corner for Rico. Tips 3.
Was that a foul?
Yes. So let's see if the 3 points of Rico will be counted. Yes, that is counted for 3. But there was a foul called para dito kay Buela. Naibaba na nga sa 3. Kalabangan dito ng UNC Greyhounds. And now I think the referees are discussing.
Yes, then there are some confusions here. Jersey number 5, Batian Sela for a free throw.
Still, this is the ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. And shoutout lang din tayo dito agad sa ating live viewers. Hello kay Victor Lambio, Lani Dacuba Roteras, Emeline Soke Avila, at kay Ibarientos Andre na nagpapa-shoutout kay Angel Toplano.
In that sequence, Mark Andrew Valera got the 3 points.
Now, Postrado. The jumper.
Kapos.
Short.
And that's good.
Yes, sandyan si Martinez.
No good.
Now, rebound by Martinez. Vivares. Yan. Basket counts. May kasama pang foul. Napatawag na nga ng timeout ang ating UNC Greyhounds. 34-37 with 2 minutes and 51 seconds remaining only here at Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here live at ATENEO Dinaga Gymnasium and live on our Facebook live stream, Dragon Sports TV, Bucal, and One Media TV 48 Naga YouTube.
And of course, mapapanood din tayo sa ating digital channel 48.2. Kaya, walang dahilan para hindi mo mapanood ang Bucal Season 5 sa inyong mga bahay.
And shout out to Kim Monteroso. Happy watching to you.
Now, Postrado. Vivares again, may hawak ng bola. Hihingin niya ni Mabasa. For 3, that's good!
At naibaba nga ng Rams sa isa. No good. Defensive rebound.
Now Vivares. There will be a chance for the Rams to take on the lead again, Mabasa. But there was a whistled foul here. So this would be the ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. Sayang nun. Makakalamang sana sila sa Greyhounds. But now let's see. Kailangan pang i-maintain ng Greyhounds sa kanilang kalamangan dito. Now, 1 minute and 52 seconds remaining para sa ating second quarter. 38-39, napakadikit ng laban po ng ating Shepherdville Rams against the UNC Greyhounds.
Talaga namang tinatrabaho dito ng Rams at kailangan nilang kapitan ito kung gusto nilang makalamang for this second quarter. And that's right on the basket for Mark Evan Valera.
Still ball possession of the Greyhounds. Shout out din kay Carlo Naldo Nasa na nanonood pa sa atin.
Carlo Naldoza watching from Japan. Thank you for watching.
Now, Narvate on the free throw line. Of course, shoutout din tayo sa ating live viewers dito sa Bucal Facebook page. Hello kay Lolita Vlog, Mary Rose Lopez Boca, Jenny Bicaldo na sumusuporta sa atin. And we have also Salaw Ralph Flores na pinapa-shoutout si Nicole watching all the way from Dubai. Now Buella, no good in and out, and that's good for the second chance point. Coming from Buella.
Ball possession ngayon ng UNC Greyhounds. Chance para bumawi. And that's good for Mandy.
Naibalik muli sa limang kalamangan dito ng UNC Greyhounds. Now Buella again with that ball. Rico andyan sa baba para ipasok ang basket. .55 seconds remaining for our first half. Mark Evan, no good. Now Postrado, nagmamadali dito. Postrado, didiretso sa loob.
And a steal.
Now
And
Buella.
another steal.
Yes. Postrado nasa baba. But there was a whistled foul there. So a 2-point opportunity para dito kay Postrado. 33 seconds remaining para sa ating first half. Shout out tayo dito kay King Arvin Sardinio, Donks T, Zape, Abigail de los Reyes, at kay Jenny Bicaldo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsuporta. Next week, abangan niyo pa po ang ating mga game schedule na ipopost po dito sa Bucal Facebook page as well as sa Oragon Sports TV and the One Media TV 48 Naga.
A chance to shoot here for UNC Greyhounds. Valera Mark Evan. No good.
Now, Postrado. Yan nga, nagkakainitan na dito. Kanino ba mapupunta ang bola? Now, shoutout din tayo dito kay Kenneth Barcela at kay Christian Satyada Malapo. Maraming salamat nyo sa inyong pag-antabay. Now, Postrado is on the free throw line. Shoutout din kay Monica Reyes na nanonood ngayong araw na ito. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay as well as kay Ederlyn Panugaw na Caryo. Now, Postrado again with that offensive rebound.
Nakuha yan ng UNC Greyhounds. Chance to shoot.
And that's it. Natapos na nga po ang ating first half, 44-45 in favor of the UNC Greyhounds. Magbabalik pa po kami para sa basketball at timbakbakan dito sa loob ng hardcourt. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Taba, B-Meg! Bilis kita! Tinuloy-tuloy ko hanggang B-Meg Premium Grower 1 and 2. May Lean Plus technology, kaya mas mabigat at manipis ang taba sa pagbenta. Kaya tuloy nyo na! B-Meg! Bilis kita!
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa.
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
We are back here live at Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium and live to all our media platforms in Facebook, Bucal, Oragon Sports TV, and on YouTube, One Media TV 48 Naga, and also live din tayo sa ating TV 48.2.
Ayan, Aljon. Papasok na po tayo sa second half ng laro ng UNC Greyhounds versus the Shepherdville Rams, 44-45. Isa lamang po ang kalamangan ng UNC Greyhounds sa napakagandang laban na ito. Now, ball possession of the Greyhounds.
And a steal. And another steal. Bola ngayon ng Greyhounds. Chance to shoot. For Torre, and that's good for Mark Andrew Valera.
What a good shot to start our third quarter. Now, Postrado. Pass to Buela.
And a block.
Grabe yun.
Mark Andrew Valera, may dala ng bola, sumasalaksak. No good.
Wow!
And a block.
Grabe, back-to-back block para sa dalawang koponan na ito. Para makarinig naman tayo ng update sa ating lamang nakupunan sa UNC Greyhounds. Kasama natin ang ating courtside reporter na si IC. Hi IC, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Tin and Aljen. The Greyhounds continue to have the edge on this game against the FBC Rams. Coach Miggy keeps on reminding the player na huwag papabayaan ang depensa at mas lalo pa nilang pag-igihan ito as they use the man-to-man defense. He also added that the player needs to know when to put pressure on the ball. These are the latest updates from the side of the Greyhounds. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Aljen.
Thank you so much, IC. So it's their man-to-man defense talaga namang nagagamit nila starting from first quarter up until second, and well sitin kung magagamit pa rin nila yan ngayong third quarter.
As you can see, Aljon, nakalawang muli ng dalawa ang ating UNC Greyhounds. Again, this is their ball possession. And another foul was whistled. So, this would be the ball possession of the SBC Rams. And speaking of the SBC Rams, makakakita kayo ng update all the way from their side. Kasama natin ating courtside reporter si Ali. Hi Ali, anong update natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Aljon. We are now on the second half and the SBC Rams are trying to gain momentum here. During the timeout, Coach Al emphasized na marami pang oras So just focus on the game at huwag titignan ang score. He also emphasized that now is the time for them to play their maximum efforts in defense. Tiyaga lang sa depensa and always be ready to anticipate the ball and pressure more their opponent. Earlier in the game, tensions are high sa ibang mga players, kaya naman Coach Al reminded them na mas maging matalino at huwag na huwag papatol. That's the latest here on the side of the SVC Rams. Balik sa inyo, Tina Daljan.
Thank you so much, Liza. So they will focus on their game and also their basketball effort. Kasi talagang pag pinabayaan nila tong UNC, aarangkada talaga to. So, I'm expecting na ang Rams ay magpapakita ng triple na efforts for this quarter.
Now, as you can see, Aljon, we are tied on 48 all sa ating third quarter. Nakuha lang nga ng Shepherdville Rams ang ritmo ng UNC Greyhounds. But let's see kung makakalamang ba sila dito or will the UNC Greyhounds take a chance here. Now, ball possession of the Greyhounds.
A steal for the Rams.
Nagmamadali. Martinez. That's good. Grabe. Nakalamang na sila ng dalawa dito sa UNC Greyhounds. Now, Mark Andrew.
4-3, no good. A defensive rebound.
Vivares nagmamadali for a layup. That's good. Apat na nga, apat na. Apat dito ang naabol ng Greyhounds.
A chance to shoot here for the Greyhounds. A pass. And that's good. And that
Grabe
was
na to.
Sarmiento Tin.
Grabe na tong dalawang kupunan na to, Martinez. Too short for that three.
And a turnover.
Yan, napatawag na nga ng timeout ang UNC Greyhounds. 52-50, 6 minutes and 44 seconds remaining. Dalawa nga ang kalamangan dito ng Shepherdville Rams. Pero ito, Aljon, pag-usapan natin itong halftime analysis. Kung titingnan mo dito, napakadaming field goals ng ating SVC Rams as well as sa offensive rebounds na nakatulong naman talaga para makakuha ng puntos ang ating Rams. But when it comes to turnovers, madami-dami ang naitala nila dito. But now, looking at the figures, 52-50. Dalawa na nga ang kalamangan ng
Right
Rams.
then, and we've seen a shift of momentum
Yes.
from UNC now to the Rams. And also, I'd like to shout out our volunteers here in making this live coverage possible. The stats team, the courtside team, the commentators, gatekeepers, logistics, and our media partners.
Yan, thank you so much sa lahat ng ating volunteers to make this live possible.
And also to our photographers. Thank you so much.
Now with 14 seconds to shoot, Rico to inbound. Hanap dito ng papasahan, Marquez. Rico.
And a steal. Derecho. Mark Andrew. And that's good.
We are now on the back clock. 2:52 all. Marquez. Passes to Vivares. Now Martinez on the inside, no good.
Defensive rebound. Nakuha ng UNC Greyhounds.
Still, ball possession of the Greyhounds, 19 seconds to shoot. Now we can see, alam mo, Aljo, napapansin ko lang, yung magagandang laro, laging pang last game. Grabe,
That's
ano?
routine. Most of the time, extended pa.
Oo,
But
oo.
we'll see kung may extend pa ba to.
It is a very good way to end the matchups. Now Rico tries for 3. In and out.
Offensive rebound.
Wala yan. But now Vivares. A good passing by the side of the Rams.
Bola ngayon ng Greyhounds. Mark Andrew passes to his brother. Pass to number 15 and that's good!
Wow. Napakaganda naman noon. Galing ka Sarmiento. Now Marquez medyo nahihirapan. On the corner Martinez. A jumper. Galing kay Buala.
A good point and also a good pass.
Oo. Napakaganda ng palitan ng dalawang kuponan na ito, Aljon.
Valera passes to Sarmiento. No good. At nakakuha pa siya dito ng foul.
Ayan, Aljon. Shoutout muna tayo dito kay Arl Buendia Rumbao, Jacqueline Farley Chavez, Glyza Ikia, kay John Andre Dominguez at kay Kenneth Baguio Oliveros na walang sawang nag-aantabay sa ating mga live games ngayong araw na ito. Now on the free throw line, we have jersey number 15 Sarmiento. 5 minutes and 7 seconds remaining. Sarmiento. No good. Now, ball possession of the Rams. Marquez. May hawak ngayon ng bola. A long 3 by Vivares. In and out. Now. 35. Passes to Caronan.
And that's good.
May kasama pa yung foul. Yung 3-point opportunity para kay Caronan. Greyhounds is now on the lead of 1. Caronan to make this a 2-point lead. No good. Still on 1, Marquez. Passes to Rico. Back to Marquez. Marquez. What will he do? Rico now going inside. Loose ball. Nakakagawa ng bola.
Nagawa ng bola dito.
But still, it's the ball possession of the Shepherdville Rams. Now, Vivares to inbound. And of course, shout out din dito kay Methelene Berido, supporter of the UNC Greyhounds.
Shout out din natin, Tin, ang supporters ng Rams na nandito ngayon.
Yes. Napakalayo pa nung pinuntahan nila or
That's
pinagalingan. Now Marquez for a deep 3. That's good!
Wow! A much needed point for Rams.
Back to 2-point lead. Babawi. No good. Now Vivares.
Nakuha ang ball ng UNC Greyhounds. No good. Offensive rebound.
Palitan na ng puntos ng dalawang kupunan na ito. We are still on the deadlock of 59. A traveling violation was committed.
Brought to you by Nagayon Travel and Tours. Live your dreams, create memories. Ball possession ngayon ng UNC Greyhounds. Mark Andrew. And
Stepping on the line.
yes.
Now Marquez to inbound. Patok. Handling the ball now. They're taking their time here. Passes on the corner. Marquez but blocked by
Wow.
one of the players of the Greyhounds.
Height is mighty. A really good block.
Still ball possession of the Rams. Buela on the corner for Mabasa. That's good! Grabe naman yung puntos na binibigay dito ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Now the Greyhounds, babawi ba?
Chance to shoot. Valera looking for his teammate. An attempt and that's good.
Yes.
Breto.
Along two coming from the Greyhounds. Now, just a 1-point lead of the SVC Rams. Dip 3, no good. Pero andyan si Buela to get another point. Nagmamadali dito Mark Evan for that
That's good.
layup. Palitan lang ng puntos. Now,
And a turnover here.
Now, 2 minutes and 28 seconds remaining para sa ating mainit-init na third quarter. 64-63 in favor of the SVC Rams.
Alam mo din talagang walang bitawan to.
Yes. Now, Mark Andrew.
Valera. An attempt. No good.
Nagmamadali dito, Marquez.
And a block.
By Mark Evan. Grabe. Kita mo
No
yung-
one expect that in.
Yes. With that
But-
height advantage.
That's true. Wow.
Now, nagkakatensyon na between the players of the SVC Rams and the UNC Greyhounds. Now we can
And
hear
there's
the booing.
attention here between the two teams.
Wow. Ito yung magandang panoorin eh. Napakadikit ng laban.
And
Grabe yung
also, the
tensyon.
crowd went wild after
Yes.
that.
Courtesy to Mark Evan na sobrang nag-enjoy ngayon. No pressure on the face of Mark Evan Valera. Now, 2 minutes and 9 seconds remaining.
And I think
64.
the head coach, Coach Miggy, asking for a review on what's that happened from that last sequence.
Pero of course, marami din tayong live viewers dito sa ating Bucal Facebook page. Hello kay Jacqueline Forley Chavez, na supporter ng UNC. John Andre Dominguez, Emma Briones, Mary Rose Lopez Boca na sumisigaw ng Go SVC Rams. Grabe, worth it naman talagang panoodin ang mga ganitong klaseng laro. Now, the referees are still reviewing. Pero bago yan, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. Hello sa Naga College Foundation, Gold Gopha Construction, Lemon Residences, Anjana Trading, BMEG Premium, and CF Wings, because tigers can have wings.
And also, I'd like to thank Converge ICT Solution, Filipina Shell, Naga and Travel and Tours, Naga and Live Your Dreams, Create Memories, NCF, V Gallery and Museum, Julia Outdoor Advertising and Printing, Tigers Cafe located at NCF Main and NCF Annex, NCF Indoor Firing Range, First World Class Indoor Firing Range in Bicol Region, SMCT Naga, NCF Training Pool, and NCF Driving School.
No.
The challenge was unsuccessful.
Now, of course, shoutout din sa ating kina James Gabarda, kina Ma'am Janjan.
Acolin, 3 points.
Grabe! Bardagulan kung bardagulan ng mga players at ng supporters.
A chance to shoot here for UNC Greyhounds. Mark Valera. Sagutan tayo dito ng 3 points.
Grabe, batuhan ng 3 puntos. Nabuela, Marquez again. No good. Grabe, tumataas yung balahibo ko ngayon, Aljon. Napakaganda ng laban. No, Mark Andrew.
No good. And that's good. Kantang alala yun. Courtesy of Karunan.
No, Marquez may hawak ng bola. Mainit-init ang third quarter. Turnover again for the Greyhounds.
And a steal. A chance to shoot here for UNC Greyhounds. A pass. No good.
Wala with that rebound. Nagbamadali ngayon. Patok. No good.
Nakuha yan ng Greyhounds. Mark Andrew Valera passes to his brother. No good. No good again.
Wala pa rin. Naabang possession of the SVC Rams. After that, mainit-init na laban. Now, Marquez. Naiwala.
Wow.
Good, wow.
A good pass.
The crowd is going wild. Prostrado with that 2-point shot.
What
Grabe.
a move, Tin, from that last sequence.
Grabe.
That was Marquez.
Now, hinga muna po ng malalim para sa lahat ng fans ng UNC.
That's true.
And the SVC Rams dahil hindi pa po tapos ang laban. We are only on the third quarter of the game. Grabe yun. Nagtaasan yung balahibo ko kanina, Aljon, with that back-to-back 3 points.
And also, Tin, nakita ko yung isang supporter dito na biglang humiga after that last sequence.
Grabe din talaga. Walang bitawan.
At walang hingahan, Tin,
Yes.
actually.
Isa lamang ang kalamangan dito ng SVC Rams. Bilog ang bola. And with that kind of play from this both teams, hindi natin alam kung sino nga ba makakakuha ng panalo ngayong araw na ito.
26 seconds remaining for our third game.
Talagang na-miss ng basketball fans yung ganitong laro pagkatapos ng ating Peña Francia break. Now, the SVC Rams and the UNC Greyhounds is serving that.
This is a worth it fourth and last game for our Sunday.
Now, shoutout din sa ating hardworking stats team. Hello kay Carla May Calleja, Cristina Valenzuela, Fatima Balisoro, Angela Lafuente, kay Mark Paderna, Dimple Cristobal at kay Jinky Nueva. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Now, still reviewing.
And also, I think a warning for technical.
Itong ating SVC Rams. Now, yan nga. Third personal foul na dito kay jersey number 55 ng UNC Greyhounds na si Soriao at kay Marquez ng SVC Rams. Fourth personal foul.
UNC ang bola ngayon. Mark Andrew Valera passes to his brother. And a steal.
Now Marquez, give it on the inside.
Wow!
Pasa.
What a good assist.
Now, ball possession. Pero wala na yan. Diyan na po nagtatapos ang mainit na bakbakan sa third quarter. 71-65 or 68 in favor of the SVC Rams. Magbabalik po kami para sa fourth and last quarter. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here live at ATENEO Dinaga Gymnasium and live sa ating Facebook and YouTube and also our TV channel 48.2. We are now on our fourth quarter. 71-68 lamang dito ang Shepherdville Rams.
Now ball possession of the Greyhounds.
And a steal.
Now, diretso, postrado given to Vivares.
And he got a foul.
Yes, may kasama pang foul. So a 3-point opportunity was given to Vivares to make their lead wider now. 5-point lead can make it into 6. Now Vivares. No good.
Defensive rebound here for UNC Greyhounds. UNC ang bola ngayon. No good. Defensive rebound.
At yan naman, Aljon, para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Icy. Hi Icy, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Tin and Aljon. We can feel the heat right now at the hard court, and I can see how thrilled the Greyhounds are to really win this game despite sa kalamangan ng kalaban as they continue to show their fighting spirit on the court. Coach wants the player to transition the defense from man-to-man to 3-2 defense. Ika nga ni Coach, do more, play hard, and double the effort. But the big question is, makukuha ba nila ang kalamangan ngayong quarter? Stay updated only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much. So it's do more and play more. And we'll see about later kung makukuha nga ba ng UNC Greyhounds ang panalo ngayon.
Yes, on the last sequence, Aljon, another foul was whistled here. So, Dangkalan will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. At para makarinig naman tayo ng update all the way from the SVC Rams court, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali. Hi Ali, anong update natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Aljan. The SVC Rams are finally dancing on perfect rhythm. During the huddle, Coach Al emphasized that the last quarter would be more on physicality. Kaya naman he asked them to go back to the fundamentals of basketball, and that is to play smart and ignore the pressure. He also pointed out that the key to their win is their confidence to themselves as well as to their teammates. That this is the last 10 minutes of the game. Last pagod na, kaya naman mas magtrabaho. Huwag nang sayangin ang pinagpaguran. Yan muna ang update sa side ng Rams. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Aljan.
Thank you so much, Ali. So, Tin, dito naman sa Rams, it's about playing smart on the fourth quarter. And the coach is correct. Kasi talaga naman dito na magkakaalaman kung sino ba talaga ang magwawagi.
Now, on the last sequence, Mark Evan got the 3-point again for the UNC Greyhounds. 76-71. 5 na lamang po ang hinahabol dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds. But now, ball possession ng Rams. Postrado. Haling the ball. A jumper. That's good.
Sagutan tayo dito ng putos. UNC. May hawak ng bola. Mark Evan. For three. No good.
Now, chance for the SVC Rams to widen the gap. Postrado. Passes on the corner. Now, Vivares on that layup.
And a great communication there, Tin, for Rams.
Kitang-kita mo yung mga fans ng SVC Rams niya sa gilid. Grabe. Now, Karonan. Now, Karonan on the free throw line for 2 shots.
And also, Tin, I'd like to shout out, happy watching Lovely and Madrona Nieva na nasa Legazpi katatapos lang mag-exam from Kim Monteroso. All the best sa yung exam. I think today is the LPT exam, Tin, right?
Yes.
So, good luck po sa nag-exam ngayon.
Yes, good luck to our future teachers. But now, back on the ball game tayo. Vivares. Tatawid ng bola. Martinez. Back to Vivares. Tries for 3. That's good! Grabe. Napakaganda nun. Napatawag na ng timeout ang ating UNC Greyhounds. 83-72. An 11-point lead coming from the SVC Rams. 6 minutes and 34 seconds.
Talaga naman, Tin, binibigyan tayo ng quality game ng dalawang team na ito. And also the crowds, talaga namang grabe yung energy ng crowds, right?
Kahit anong oras na.
Time check, it's 7:30 p.m. Pero yung energy parang pang 8 a.m. din.
Oo. Alam mo, tawang-tawa ako dito sa mga fans ng SVC Rams dito sa gilid. May ibang humihiga kapag nakakashoot dito sa kanilang kupunan. And we're really happy to see happy faces now.
And also, Tin, shout out muna tayo dito kay Eliza Faith Respeto, our very own courtside reporter from James Angelo Gabarda.
Ayan. Happy watching po. Now, we are back on the ball game.
6 minutes and 34 seconds for our fourth quarter. We're coming to the end of this match. UNC may dala ng bola. Karunan. Passes in. That's good for Narvate.
Now still on the lead ang ating SVC Rams. Lumabe. Passes to Rico. Rico nga ngayon. Lumabe. Pass on the inside. Dangkalan. Oh, that's good. Naipasok pa yan.
chance para bumawi ngayon. UNC Greyhounds may dala ng bola. Valera passes to Caronan for 3. Aklin 3 points for Caronan. Nico Andre.
Back-to-back points for these two teams. Lumabe. Babawe Rico. 4-3, no good.
Makukuha yan ng Greyhounds. Valera may dala ng bola.
But that's a traveling violation. 85-77. Wala lamang kalamangan dito ng SPC Rams. Now Lumabe. Pass on the inside. Lumabe try to go. Vivares now. Natawagan pa nga dyan ng traveling violation si Dangkalan.
And then, I'd also like to thank our volunteers, the Stats team, Jinke, Fatima, Angela, Christina, Carla, and to our camera woman, Yala, Berido, Erica de Lima, our courtside reporters, the station manager, Sir JM, Chanko, and Sir Joshua.
Yan, thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. But now, bibigyan ulit ng 2-point opportunity dito si Narvate. (85-77). Now, ball possession of the Rams, Vivares. Vivares now, they are taking their time. Lumabe, papasok sa loob! But a foul was
I
called.
think he got a foul.
Yes.
So sa mga itong pressure situation, Tin, I think Greyhounds should minimize their fouls and committing their fouls kasi they give an opportunity for the Rams to have a free throw.
Now, no good for that first attempt of Lumabe on the free throw line. Pero shoutout din tayo dito kay Khalil Nilmar Lucenya, Ashla Vinson, at kay King Orvin Servinio. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkantabay for our last matchup. Now, Lumabe!
No good!
But still, ball possession of the SPC Rams.
A turnover.
Mabasa to inbound. 21 seconds. Vivares, no good.
Valera passes to number 13, a jump shot, no good.
Now,
Defensive rebound.
secured by Mabasa, now Vivares. Lumabe now. Back to Vivares. Mabasa.
And a steal. Nagmamadali. Greyhounds to inbound. Passes to Valera. Jersey number 13 for 3. Rebound
Now,
nakuha ng Rams.
Buela. With that rebound, pass to Lumabe. Lumabe, papasok sa loob. Pass on the outside. Mabasa dyan. But still the defensive side of the UNC. Lumabe now. Passes to Martinez. That's good.
A chance to shoot here. Valera. Madala ng bola. An attempt for Torre. No go.
Still a 10-point lead coming from the SVC Rams. This will be a ball possession of the SVC Rams. Marquez babalik dito. Lumabe ang lalabas ng bola. Now, Vivares. Greyhounds community are shouting defense. Now, Marquez again nandyan sa loob. But still.
And a turnover here. Bola ngayon.
14 seconds to shoot para sa SBC Rams. Now, Vivares to Marquez. They are taking their time here. 11 seconds to shoot. Martinez to Marquez. No good for that 3-point attempt.
Rebound nakuha ng UNC Greyhounds.
Nagkakagawan pa. We have a technical timeout here. 87-79, 8-point lead coming from the SBC Rams. 2 minutes and 32 seconds remaining. Napakalaki pa po ng oras na ito para sa dalawang koponan. Shoutout muna tayo dito kay Criza Hordas or Jordas at kay Monica Reyes na nanonood sa atin ngayon. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay. Still now, abangan nyo po next week ang ating mga laro that will be posted on the official Facebook pages Bucal, Oragon Sports TV, and the One Media TV 48 Naga. But now, while still waiting, maraming salamat din po sa lahat ng supporters ng UNC Greyhounds at ng Shepherdville Rams. Now, ball possession of the Greyhounds. Now a steal. And another foul was called. Both penalties, or both teams are now on the penalties.
A crucial foul here for Greyhounds. 2 minutes and 22 seconds. 87 against 79 for our fourth quarter. Right on the basket for Marquez.
There's a rumble between the two players. 2 minutes and 19 seconds. (88-79), 9-point lead of the SVC Rams.
No good. for Sarmiento. Right on the basket.
Now, Lumabe. Tatawid ng bola. Passes to Vivares. Vivares. Attempting to take a three. Marquez, no good. Offensive rebound. Wala pa rin.
Nagmamadali. UNC Greyhounds. No good. Nakuha pa yan ng UNC Greyhounds.
Now, we are now on the last minute and 48 seconds of the game. Lumabe taking their time here. Pass to Marquez. Now, babalik yan kay Marquez. Di diretso sa loob. Miscommunication on their side.
That was a crucial miscue for the Rams. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Jump shot. That's good!
Wow.
Narvate.
Now, naibaba na sa 4 ang kalamangan ng SVC Rams. Now, Vivares pass to Lumabe.
For
Chance for 3.
3.
No good. Oh. Kanino kayang bola?
I can feel the pressure, Tin. Madami pang mangyayari dito sa 1 minute and 13 seconds.
Now, Lumabe will be on the free throw line. That's good for the first attempt. A 5-point lead. He can make it at 6. No good. Offensive rebound by Bucal.
No good. Nakuha yan ng Greyhounds. Narvate. No good.
Now Marquez passes to Vivares. With that teasing face. Now Marquez again. Attempting for 3, no good.
No good.
But there was a foul called. "44 seconds.
Another free throw for the Rams. Right on the basket. 44 seconds.
No bola for a second attempt. No good. Now, chance for the Greyhounds. Caronan.
No good.
Offensive rebound. Evan was there.
No good again. Sarmiento.
Napatawag na nga ng timeout ang ating SVC Rams. 90-86. 4 na lamang po kalamangan dito ng SVC Rams with 25 seconds remaining. Grabe. Ano pa kaya yung pwedeng mangyari sa loob ng 25 seconds na yan? Of course, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nakasama natin for this live coverage of the Bucal Season 5. To our technical team, stats team, commentators and courtside reporters, maraming salamat po sa inyong dedikasyon. Of course, sa ating mga gatekeepers and logistics.
And also, Tin, would like to thank our sponsors, live viewers on our Facebook pages. Thank you so much. And also, our live viewers here at the Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium. Maraming salamat po for staying up until this evening. Time check, it's 7:20 p.m. Back to the ball game tayo. Rams to inbound. 25 seconds. A pass.
Nabi Bares.
And that's good.
Yan na nga. Mark Andrew.
Sarmiento. Papasa kay Valera. Fourth away.
Naipasok na yan. Last. Now. Still. Buhay pa po ang laban. With 9 seconds remaining. I think this would be a ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. A 3-point lead of the SVC Rams with that 9 seconds remaining.
Wow. A very much needed 3-point
Yes.
coming from Mark Andrew Valera. Ano pa kaya pwedeng mangyari sa 9 seconds?
Oo. Sayang nagka-miscommunication pa doon kina Marquez. Loose ball. Buhay na buhay pa yung ating supporters from the UNC Greyhounds. Of course, with that 9 seconds, 3 puntos lang ang kalamangan dito ng SVC Rams. Grabe. Ang dami pong pagkakatiwalaan ng 3-point shot. Meron tayong Mark Evan, Mark Andrew Caronan, Narvate. Great players of the UNC Greyhounds.
And I'm sure doon sila pupunta sa talaga namang mataas ang percentage in terms of shooting, and we'll see kung sino nga yung mga players na yon from this both teams. Tingnan natin mamaya.
Ayan. Kinakabahan ako dito. Mag-overtime ba? Or the SVC Rams will get that win? Now, ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. This would be a game changer.
Greyhounds to inbound. Batiancela to inbound. Pressure situation here.
Now brace yourselves. Mark Andrew with the ball with just 9 seconds remaining. Batiancela. No good! And that's it!
The Rams wins
Natapos.
against the UNC Greyhounds with a score of 92 and 89.
Grabe. Still, a great game played by these both teams. Congratulations to the UNC Greyhounds. Of course, the Shepherdville Rams for winning the game. 92-89. Sa ating pagbabalik po, makikilala na natin ang nag-stand out sa larong ito, ang ating best player of the game only here at Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ipista ba? BMEG! Bilis kita! Tinuloy-tuloy ko hanggang BMEG Premium Grower 1 and 2. May Lean Plus technology, kaya mas mabigat at manipis ang taba sa pagbenta. Kaya tuloy nyo na! BMEG! Bilis kita!
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa.
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
Of the game is brought to you by Lemon Residences. Experience home living. Finally, the Shepherdville College Rams clinched their first win this season, and one player showed an exemplary performance, and that player is no other than jersey number 9, Rap Bevares, coming from the bench with 24 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists, and 2 steals. Rap, congratulations and good evening. Coming from your 2 losses and now clinching your first win, what's going on in your mind right now?
Masaya kasi kahit papano na suklian na yung mga tiyaga namin sa court, mga pagod namin, at yun lang.
Okay, hopefully, of course, this win is the start of your peak this Bucal Season 5. What would be your mindset on your succeeding games naman?
Dami pa sa amin kulang, dami pa sa amin pwedeng gawin, dami pa sa amin mga player na nag-adjust, at sana sa sunod na laro, magawa na namin yung sistema pinapagawa ng coaches namin.
Of course. Congratulations. Ngayon, best player, sino naman ang mga gusto mong i-shout out?
Shout out sa kay Pastor Paul sa suporta sa amin at sa mga binibigay na allowance, mga pagkain. Tapos sa SBC community, salamat po dahil maraming nagsusuporta kahit sa live lang. At shout out sa girlfriend kong nasa US, kina Mama Jean, kay Bambi, kay Ishi, tapos sa mama kong nasa Goa. Shoutout sa mga teammates ko dahil kung wala sila di ko magagawa to.
Alright, thank you and congratulations once again. Now this has been Eliza Faith Petesa Respeto, courtside reporter of the Shepherdville College Rams. Only here on Bucal Season 5, 1 Media, TV48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
And that was our best player of the game, jersey number 9, Rap Vivares with 24 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists, 2 steals. Grabe, napakagandang performance ang binigay dito ng SVC Rams as well as the UNC Greyhounds.
Talaga namang kapit kung kapit, talaga namang habulan ng score and points din ang nasaksihan natin kanina laban sa UNC Greyhounds and the CSV Rams.
Ayan nga, Ajad, bago tayo magtapos, gusto lang din namin pasalamatan ang lahat ng bumubuo ng ating live coverage. Shout out sa ating mga stats team, courtside reporters, technical team, commentators, sa ating gatekeepers, logistics, at sa lahat po, mga referees, ang ating mga teams na naglaro ngayong araw. Maraming salamat po. Again, I am Christine Alcanzo Reyes.
And I'm Aljon Cibulo Pogoy.
Magbabalik po kami dito para sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.